Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by ensuring legal and safety controls are in place. You cannot proceed without them. Once confirmed, put on full PPE and station a trained fire watch with extinguishers ready. Make sure the work area has been isolated and ventilated, and all bystanders are removed. At this point, you pause to perform visual inspections of all equipment for damage and leaks. These checks stop incidents before they start. Do not improvise. If any item is suspect, replace it before continuing. Continue under strict control of documented procedures and equipment limits. The reason is to prevent overpressure and accidental fuel sources. While the operation proceeds, have a dedicated attendant watch hoses, fittings, and the surrounding environment for signs of heat, sparks, or leaks. Keep hose paths clear and avoid kinks. Make sure ventilation removes fumes. Communicate constantly with your team so adjustments are coordinated. If conditions change, wind, fuel exposure, or unexpected heat, to finish, follow a formal shutdown checklist and secure all sources of oxygen before leaving the scene. This prevents hidden reignition and stored energy incidents. Once done, allow components to cool while the fire watch continues. Inspect surrounding structures for heat transfer or unseen smolders. If you detect a leak, abnormal heat, or metal instability, stop work, evacuate non-essential personnel, cool remotely if safe, and contact maintenance or qualified technicians. Troubleshooting tip: if a component behaves unpredictably, treat it as a failure and seek specialist support.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.